Birdfy products help birdwatchers spot and study rare Oriole species. These amazing birds are members of the Icteridae group of bird classification. While many are native to the regions of North and South America, their distribution is widespread across many continents. Oriole species are among the most beautiful birds seen by bird lovers and tourists in any part of the world. Beautifully colored birds, usually associated with singing songs, are natural beauties in gardens, forests, and lawns. These amazing birds are members of the Icteridae group of bird classification. While many are native to the regions of North and South America, their distribution is widespread across many continents. Birders and photographers appreciate the brilliantly colored birds with preferences for bright yellow, orange, and red outfits. Birdfy examines the variation in the Oriole species, their ecological niches, and their roles in this environmental structure. They also highlight how Birdfy products makes birdwatching a delightful program that these excellent pets can enjoy more than ever. The beauty of Oriole species. Oriole species are colorful bird species characterized by specific features that set them apart from other birds of a similar kind. These birds are usually orange, yellow, and black. However, different variations are less bright. The three main types of Oriole commonly sighted in North America are Baltimore Oriole, Bullock's Oriole, and Orchard Oriole. These species have bright-colored feathers of orange or yellow, black wings, and a sharp, sweet note that they sing. What adds to this is the behavior of these birds, which makes them stand out even more from the rest of the bird population. Orphaned young birds, commonly known as orioles, are migratory birds who travel almost thousands of miles in 1 year. North American Oriole species move to parts of Central and South America during the colder months, while others stay in the southern parts of the US or Mexico. Therefore, these movement behaviors are essential in their existence and are considered fascinating characteristics to observe in the species. Understanding their detailed workings and role in the larger ecological systems is necessary to understand their behaviors. Also, these species have previously discovered specific and unconventional nesting patterns and manners. They bring the materials that form the nests in the state of the hanging pouches that they suspend on tall trees. The nests are built smartly using plant fiber, grass, and, lately, plastic strips to ensure they do not fall off or are liable to the hen or other predators. Therefore, such a level of architectural design in nest making can be seen as paying great interest in the natural behaviors witnessed in orioles. Habitat and migration of Oriole species. Orioles are predominantly migratory, and many breeds cover vast distances from their breeding to their wintering grounds. Some North American orioles move to Central and South America when colder weather sets in, while others reside in northern latitudes. Their natural habitat is open country, including woodland, parks, and tree-lined areas for nesting and feeding. Orioles are susceptible species with significant seed dispersal functions and natural pest controllers. They hunt for insects such as caterpillars, beetles, ants, and other kinds of insects they get, and fruits like berries and grapes. Thus, orioles eat significant amounts of insects, therefore, they are essential contributors to keeping balance in ecosystems. It also aids in the growth of plants because they relocate seeds from one place to another. Thus, Oriole migration patterns significantly affect the arrival of spring. These birds are often early workers, and their presence marks the beginning of new plant growth, which can open up flower blooming and fruit ripening and help keep local ecosystems intact. Birdfy products enhance your birdwatching experience. Birdfy products make birdwatching more convenient and less time-consuming for viewers and keep them engaged, helping birdwatchers appreciate Oriole species in their natural environment. Birdfy product line easily attracts orioles and other birds, feeders and accessories for the unique avian world. These products are ideal for anyone who wants more animals within their vicinity for different purposes and to enhance the birder's experience. Birdfy manufactures well-made clothing hangers and bird feeders to ensure birds such as orioles feed in the best manner possible. Their specially designed Oriole feeders are great for putting out nectar, fruit, seeds, and other foods that the orioles enjoy. Their construction is robust to ensure they can endure various climatic conditions and are suitable for prolonged use by birdwatchers. Birdfy bird feeders are practical and boast aesthetically pleasing designs that fit any garden or backyard perfectly. Whether you have a specific goal of attracting particular birds, including orioles, or commonly involving many birds in your yard, these feeding products will add more thrill to bird watching. These feeders are easy to use and functional, enabling bird watching enthusiasts and novices to get a shot at the orioles and other bird species at close quarters. How to spot Oriole species in your backyard. If you want to attract these species to your backyard, here are some easy tips. To attract orioles, the principal feeds them water in a constant stream. Orioles are particularly fond of sweet nectar, so lovely and Oriole-specific feeders containing nectar are likely to attract them to the lawn. Some people feed these little birds with nectar, but it is equally good to offer fresh fruits like oranges, grapes, and apples to make your backyard a home to these orioles. Birdfy feeders can help in this process. Their Oriole feeders are designed to make food as presentable as possible for the birds while keeping the food within the reach of the orioles. Thus, the Oriole species belong to the most beautiful birds, attracting birding lovers' attention and people interested in nature. Being migratory animals, they are vital in their habitats within the scope of controlling insect pests and seed spreaders. About Birdfy. Birdfy specializes in redefining and improving the bird-watching experience by providing varied and unique products that can attract, feed, and enable one to monitor birds in their natural habitats. For the experienced birding enthusiast and the aspiring new birder, Birdfy has created easy-to-use, long-lasting, and beautiful birding products that help to bridge the human's nature gap. From orioles to a wide range of other bird species, Birdfy products enhance conservationism and encourage a speciesist perspective toward reliance on nature.